In the early stage of silkworm rearing, the silkworms are 13 days old. The farming environment at this stage needs to be very clean. Nutritious food is placed on the silkworm eggs awaiting hatching. After hatching and molting, they eat a lot and grow very quickly. They eat 3 times a day when the silkworms are awake and active. Food needs to be evenly distributed for all silkworms. Maintain the silkworm rearing room and control the temperature appropriately. The next stage involves bringing the silkworms to the farm. Silkworms are placed in the main farming area lined with nylon. Cover the silkworms with a small net to restrict their movement. The main food for silkworms is mulberry leaves. At this stage, silkworms eat 4 meals a day with 6-hour intervals. Silkworms shed their skin to grow into larger silkworms. At ages 4 and 5, they start spinning cocoons. At this stage, silkworms eat a lot and require a large quantity of mulberry leaves. (1,500 kg of mulberry leaves are needed for 30,000 silkworms. At age 5, silkworms can consume entire branches to produce more silk. They eat for up to 15 hours a day. After about 68 days, silkworms start eating less, indicating the upcoming cocooning process. We collect the silkworms and prepare for the cocooning stage. Use a net to separate the healthy ones. Afterwards, the silkworms are placed on the honeycomb wooden board. Next, we will hang them up. This system can rotate. The temperature should be maintained at 3032 degrees Celsius, which is the ideal temperature. During this time, the silkworms will evenly release silk. Observe the time-lapse process. After 45 days, the cocoons can be harvested. Next comes the manual sorting process. Poor quality cocoons will be removed. After that, they are transferred to the silk factory. Continue removing poor quality cocoons. Soak them in hot water to soften the cocoons. Roll the silk into silk threads. Feed into the machine to start spinning.